I'm sure we all have likely used Google to search about something we need to know, but I guess that many of us are conscious that we can use Google to earn a considerable amount of money online. Yes, you heard that right. Many people use Google randomly, such as asking a question about health, or to collect some information for their project, and more. After all of this, they receive no money, but on the other side, there is a few people that are taking advantage of that Google trick at this moment, and they are earning good amounts of money online, and you can also earn good amount of money by applying this method on your phone, your laptop, or computer, and you can do it wherever you are in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you the trick by explaining it in each and every step and for free. So by using this method, you can make a lot of money online from anywhere you are in the world for free. This is a wonderful and easy method that you're going to enjoy while using. But before we get started with today's video, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online by MoneyFlow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first one using the method and earning a good amount of money by new and easy tutorials. And now, let's start our tutorial. Now, I am going to show you how this method works step by step, and I want you to follow each step. So when we reach the end of this video, you will be able to go out there and make some real good money. So keep attention about what I'm going to show you in every step, and keep in mind that this is a very easy method because we will use only 3 simple websites, and now starting with the first one, which is google.com. And we're going to have a look on the second and third websites in a minute. Now this is the website that we'll be using, mindsumo.com/challenges/all. If we merge it with Google and another website that no one is taking advantage of, you will be impressed how much money you can earn online, so keep watching until the end. That's because if you went directly through MindSumo and you started trying and figuring it out by yourself, you will not know how to use it because the website has gone through some changes for the signing up process. I can guarantee you that this is a genuine site because they have worked with some of the most well-known names and brands in the industry, including Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Spotify, Microsoft, Mercedes-Benz, Starbucks, and a lot more. Now focus carefully because I'm about to show you exactly how much money you can get from this website. Just scroll down and look at the list right here, and now you can see many opportunities to make thousands of dollars. There are countless opportunities where you will be using this trick and making thousands of dollars again and again. All you have to use is a simple Google tool, and also I will be showing you the website that makes everything possible at the end of this video, so be sure to watch the video to the end. If you have any problems, comment below and I will be happy to help you. Now let's see how to create a free account. You have to sign up to mindsumo.com, and how we will be doing that, simply from the home page of the website, I need you to click on that button right here. Where is? Says I'm a problem solver. And now I need you to click on that button right here. Login or sign up, click on this, and you preview that window. You're seeing know where you can sign up for a free account. Click on I don't have an account yet, and then type your first name, last name, location, email address, and password, then insert your birth date and your gender. Now for the following skill categories, I strongly recommend you to select above average proficiency for those 3 skills: creativity, marketing, and technical skills, and be sure you read the terms and condition and privacy policy and certify that you don't use plagiarized content, and click on I'm not robot, and then click on the sign up button. Since you're done, you may log into your account, and right away you may see that there are a ton of different projects and challenges that you may be able to join, and through those you can earn much money online. You can preview here at the many different categories that they offer you. Take a look here, for example, this one here, and this one here, and this for another example, and there is much more. So definitely there is going to be no shortage of money you are making on that website. Although there are new questions and new projects and new challenges will be coming every day, now choose the category you're interested in. Let's say I'm interested in this kind of category, so I will select it since I have chosen the category I prefer. The website will filter out the content and show you all the projects and challenges related to that specific category that you chose. These projects and challenges will get you the most money, such as this project right here will pay you this much money, and all you have to do is go ahead and open this link, and then it will open for you a page where they'll be asking you a question, and you can shortly type an answer, then submit it, and you'll be earning money for doing this. But if you don't know the answer to the question or you're facing some difficulties, providing winning-worthy answers, don't think about it. Okay, I will be showing you an easy but active and useful method that will help you a lot while you're answering the question, and you will be making a great amount of money online. We can see that there are too much submissions and that people are getting paid for submitting their answer on that website. And now you can also do the same thing to get the answer. Simply go to MindSumo and copy the question you have, and after that go to google.com, paste the question and search it. So now Google will help you find the answer to the question here. You should spend a bit more time to find the complete answers, so your chance to be one of the winners will be much higher. Since you got the answers, don't submit them to MindSumo immediately, but first copy the information you found while searching on Google, then go to that website is called quillbot.com, and paste your answers that you had found by searching. Then that website Quillbot, it will be changing it to a absolutely special content that no one will know that you haven't written it. You can even try the different modes they have, which gives you more malleability along with your content. You may also increase and decrease the number of synonyms and words before submitting the answers to MindSumo. But still, we're not done to see the final step of submitting your answer. Like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos to make money online. And now back to our tutorial. You still need one more thing. Go to Google search for Google Docs and click on the first result that will appear to you. So it will then take you here to this page so that you can start a blank document and start typing your answers or pasting the content that you would find from searching on Google, and by changing it to your own special content using the quillbot.com tool. The tip here in this final step is to copy the question from MindSumo and change the title of the Google Docs to MindSumo Challenge and paste the question. Now fix the content title and do the rest of the text as you like. Once you're done with your answer, directly go and click on the file, then download. Select PDF document as your download type. Click on that link to get it downloaded to your laptop. Since it completed downloading, now you can see how perfect and professional everything looks and how well organized and arranged it is to be submitted to MindSumo Challenge. That's all. You just saw how easy it looks. This is how you can now begin earning more money online by using this new Google trick for MindSumo.com. Keep remembering that there is a lot of different challenges and projects that you can join. As you watched and see, it was really simple procedure and simple steps, that it took me less than 10 minutes to find the helpful answer on Google. Only by searching, I had the answer in less than 10 minutes. And now you also may have the chance to win and to be paid any amount of money. From like $20, $40, $60, or maybe more than $200 or $300 for absolutely free. That's all for this video. If you liked it and decided to try it out, let me know in the comments below. Also remember to share it with a friend who might be interested in using this to work from home. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll respond. If you want more videos with different money-making techniques, and in an easy way, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification to be the first one to use the newest techniques of making money online. Now, if you are interested about making money online, and with the simplest and easiest ways, such as downloading and listening to music and getting paid, so go and watch this video that should appear on the screen shortly. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.